Here's how you can change whether it is all the apps on the home screen or an app drawer plus the home screen. And this is a Poco phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. The fastest way to these settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you're going to see settings. This settings here is for the home screen settings. So it's a different set of settings. Once this pops up, you'll go to where it says More. And within the More section, you're going to see home screen settings. You'll tap here, the first option, and this is where you can choose between Classic. Classic is basically all the apps on your home screen, but no swipe up from the bottom app drawer. Or you can choose the one with the app drawer, and it's going to give you other options such as managing the app categories, the background, and a few different things that you can change up, okay? But that's basically it for this guide here, and whatever you leave it as is what it's going to be saved as, like and so.